Hey guys, tonight I wanted to do a video where I showed you how to make a high carb, low fat, vegan pad thai. So first thing you gotta do is boil some water. Then you gotta grab your trusty tofu and the frozen carrots that you might have laying around. Just as an update, I've been doing okay, not great, not bad. My mask acne has continued to rage on, and I wait ever so patiently for the day that we all don't have to wear masks anymore. Work has been crazy stressful. Life has been crazy stressful, but I thank goodness that I have my pet mice and my boyfriend and all of the wonderful things in my life. And yeah, just been trying my best to exist. I recently made a purchase. I purchased something I've always wanted to buy, a silent mute for a trumpet, because I'm a trumpet player, and a piccolo trumpet. So that was a purchase that I made. And my dad and I have been discussing our plans to start a ska band. So yeah, other than that, just been working. I don't know if it would be weird to post me playing the trumpet on my channel, but I think I'm gonna do it. I think it would be really cool to bring my musical stuff to my channel, because I know this is cooking and stuff, but it's also just kind of where I put my creative thoughts. I don't know. It'd be fun to get back into the trumpet playing. It's gonna be exciting and fun to play ska covers with my dad, since his big band can't get together anymore because of COVID-19. He and I wanted to start our own project, which is really exciting. So just something that I can do instead of staring at the news and staring at the craziness around all of us in this crazy pandemic. Just want to get back into music. It's really exciting, honestly. Just counting down the days for my piccolo trumpet to arrive. A piccolo trumpet is a compact trumpet that will fit well into my minimalist lifestyle. So it's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. The thing that I'm telling in this video is that I also have a puppy with my boyfriend. A new addition to our family. So there she is. Happy baby. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this style of video, just me chilling out, cooking some dinner and stuff. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that I get a skincare miracle sometime soon, that this mask acne finally stops, lol. Also, that this pandemic ends soon. We're just making the best of it for now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Stay vegan. Go vegan if you're not. Have a great night.